Read my review of one of the most popular fitness programs, the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure by Vic Medary. In my 31-Day Fat Loss Cure review, you will see how I lost 45 lbs and 13 inches off my tummy. Also, you will find out what this program is all about. I will tell you what you get when you buy the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure program by Vic Medary. This review is a combination of many reviews about the program. I talk about the pros and cons, and show you proof that the 31-day weight loss program is not a scam. The 31-Day Fat Loss Cure. The creator's credibility. Vic Medary, the creator of the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure diet program, got his inspiration for the fat loss diet program from his experience as a soldier in boot camp while in the army. The short but intensive exercises in boot camp caused him to lose an incredible amount of weight and be in the best shape in his life. This is what inspired him to create the Fat Loss Diet book and workout training program. Vic's mindset is sure that intensive workouts are effective for fast fat loss, and if a caveman couldn't have eaten it in those days, you definitely shouldn't eat it either. 31-Day Fat Loss Cure review. The product. Vic Medary, who was an army man, created this fat loss program on the basis of the idea that if a caveman couldn't have eaten it in those days, you definitely shouldn't eat it either. In the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure book, in this review you will see Vic Medary's view that processed foods are the very cause for your obesity. In this book, he talks about the fact that people are at different levels of fitness, and also some people like to train at home and don't have fitness equipment, and others like to go to the gym. That is why he created different types of workouts to meet their needs. He created a beginners and advanced workout program as well as a home workout and a gym workout. Also, he created an exercise program for older people or folks that have an injury or limitations. This alone is part of the reason I chose this particular weight loss program. When the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure reviewed, the fat loss program appears to be a blend of different exercises with a particular diet plan, which is named as caveman type of diet program. In his book, Vic Medary in Just 31 Days. Here is what is included in the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure diet program. 1. Vic Medary Workout DVD Training Modules. 2. Weight Loss Techniques. 3. Nutrition Advice and Recommendations. 4. And plenty of other tips that are related to weight loss. 31-Day Fat Loss Cure review, scan video. The 31-Day Fat Loss Cure program, by Vic Medary. The pros and cons. The pros. 1. The training video lessons. The 31-Day Fat Loss Workout Training Exercise video lessons. They're really great and a valuable part of the fat loss diet and exercise program. Vic Medary shows you how to properly do each of the exercises as well as telling you how many sets and reps. Vic Medary has a lot of videos lessons for his workout program. The benefit of this exercise program is the fact that the workouts are on average 15 minutes or less and extremely effective at getting you fast fat loss results. Which means more time to do what you want. Also, you can watch the videos at your convenience and view them as many times as you like. It's like having Vic right there in person with you, helping you lose weight and get into the best shape of your life. In the book, you will find a complete breakdown of the diet, what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat, as well as complete exercise programs. Also learn very important facts about proper eating habits and what a key role they play in helping you out stay healthy and fit. 2. 2 separate programs for different levels. You will get 2 major levels of fitness exercises. Breaking different levels into different programs is very important, as it helps most people who are new to exercise. Additionally, it is equally helpful to those who have some previous experience with particular workout to burn fats in highly better manner. 1. There is a full 100% guarantee. 2. I was never hungry on this weight loss program. 3. My energy level is incredible. The 31-Day Fat Loss Cure program and reviews this diet program has a 100% money-back guarantee. Vic Medary's weight loss program is being sold through ClipBank, which is an online website that offers thousands of vendors' products. Sort of like Walmart, only online. Well, ClipBank makes each product vendor honor a 100% money-back guarantee on their products. You pay at ClipBank when you buy the product, and if you are not happy with the product, then ClipBank gives you a refund. This was a big reason I decided to try the 31-Day Fat Loss Cure diet and exercise program, because I knew if I did get the results after following the 31-day fat loss cure diet program, I could get my money back. The cons of the 31-day fat loss cure diet program: 1. Some exercises may be hard to do. Even though the exercise programs are around 15 minutes or less, there are a few of the exercises that may be hard or impossible for some beginners. Because I have some back problems, I was limited to some of the exercises. However, I still got great results. I lost 14 lbs and took 5 inches off my tummy in 31 days. The 31-day fat loss cure training program, which was created by Vic Medri, inspired by his time as an army soldier, so be ready to work hard in this training program. Keep in mind that between the workouts and the change in your eating habits will take some time to adjust to, and as you do it will be well worth the effort. The 31-day fat loss cure program was created by an ex-army soldier, so in reviews it was clearly claimed by several users that Vic Medri requests that you commit to working hard and be dedicated for at least 31 days. This will be ample time for you to start to see both some weight loss results and allow yourself to adapt to the diet and the workout training program. 2. Requires your commitment and dedication. An important point to keep in mind: this diet and weight loss training program only works if you apply it. 3. It requires your true commitment. An important point to remember is the 31-day fat loss cure system is not an overnight weight loss book. You need to be dedicated with both the diet and the workout training program, for 31 days at least, in order to gain the results. 31-day fat loss cure, does it work? In my other reviews I found that the 31-day fat loss cure diet program is not a scam. I am living proof that the 31-day fat loss diet program really works. I have lost an incredible amount of weight, a total of 45 lbs and 13 inches off my tummy. I lost 14 lbs and 5 inches off my tummy in the first 31 days on the diet program. It is a proven, time-tested weight loss training program. There are countless other testimonies from both men and women who have had great weight loss results. You get to see tons of before and after photos.